The United Nations forecasts that the world population will grow by 70 million a year. And with every single person, the demand for packaged beverages and food increases. This is particularly true for emerging and developing countries. More and more people are moving from rural regions to cities and metropolises. A middle class with high purchasing power is growing up. The consequence? Sales of consumer goods are increasing. Not only are existing customers from Asian and African countries expanding their capacities with us, the growing demand is also attracting new entrants to the market, and thus bringing new interests in our products into play. In addition, mature industrialized countries still hold a great deal of potential, particularly promising for Krones, the agile and innovative market in North America.